Laguna Lake, the largest lake in the Philippines. A lifeline for millions, a source of water that sustains everyday life. Now we stand with one mission. It is to bring this lake to life. That's right. We want to leave something for the future of the Philippines. The deep relationship between the Philippines and Japan. The Philippines and Japan have shared a deep connection since ancient times. Genetically, it is said that the roots of the Filipino people share common elements with those of the Jomon lineage Japanese. Even today, from corporate partnerships to individual migration, our two countries remain special partners with very deep ties. Our mission: to purify the world's polluted water. When we decided to use Japanese technology to purify polluted water around the world, the first place we headed to was the Philippines. When we first saw Laguna Lake, we want to revive this lake. We want to leave clean water for the future of the Philippines. These feelings rushed through us. The serious problems facing Laguna Lake. Laguna Lake is currently suffering from severe economic losses. Fisheries and aquaculture. The lake's productivity has declined, affecting thousands to tens of thousands of fishermen and aquaculture operators. Water utility sector. As raw water becomes more polluted, purification costs increase and eventually affect water rates. Tourism. Water pollution, foul odors, and deteriorating scenery prevent tourism revenue from growing. Agriculture. Sedimentation reduces irrigation efficiency and impacts crop yields. According to the World Bank, the Philippines suffers an estimated 67 billion pesos in annual losses due to water pollution. This includes the combined impact on tourism, fisheries, and public health. In addition, poor sanitation facilities, such as inadequate toilets, cause another 77.8 billion pesos in losses each year. Taken together, the total economic loss exceeds 140 billion pesos annually. If Laguna Lake is restored, the Philippines can achieve far greater economic growth. Local voices saying it's impossible. When we talk to people about restoring Laguna Lake into a clean and living lake, the answer we often hear is, no matter how much you clean the lake, dirty water keeps flowing in every day. It's meaningless. Greater Manila does have plans to build a sewage system, but with an estimated cost of 40 billion to 250 billion pesos, combined with traffic congestion and unstable ground conditions, the project has made no progress at all. Do we really have no choice but to give up? The answer is no. And the solution is, give the lake the ability and role to purify itself. Natural water has an innate ability to purify. By maximizing that ability, the lake itself can treat the polluted water flowing in from outside and transform into a massive, self-purifying lake. Is something like that really possible? Yes, the key to that is oxygen. The most important factor in improving water quality is increasing the amount of dissolved oxygen (DO) in the water. Nowadays, many papers and research results have been published around the world. As oxygen levels rise, aerobic bacteria multiply and break down organic matter. Oxygen then drives the decomposition of sludge and ammonia. Currently, much of Laguna Lake has DO levels of 2 to 3 milligrams per liter. If we can maintain at least 5 milligrams per liter or higher, natural purification will occur constantly. Take a look at this experiment. If oxygen is injected into the murky water of Lake Laguna, which has a low oxygen concentration, it will recover to this point in just 7 days. The power of nature is amazing. This also improves fish population and growth. And yet you will think, but isn't increasing oxygen in water extremely difficult? It is true that there are devices that supply oxygen to water all over the world, but it is very inefficient in the shallow water of Lake Laguna, and the cost can be quite high, so it is impractical to use it in Lake Laguna. However, there exists a technology that overcomes these challenges. A world-unique environmental water purification device, IORESS. To transform Laguna Lake into a naturally self-purifying lake, we use a device developed in Japan. IORESS, the Environmental Water Purification System. IORESS technology has been formally evaluated by the U.S. Army Engineer Research and Development Center, one of the most trusted institutions globally. The evaluation results are published as official national documents. And this system is NSF certified in the United States, proving its safety based on international standards. Installation is simple. Place the device by the lakeside, connect power, and submerge the hose. After starting, IORESS takes in contaminated water and releases water injected with concentrated ionized oxygen. This oxygen-rich water resists escaping into the air and spreads through the lake, dramatically boosting its natural purification ability. The ionized oxygen water purified by IORESS uses a special production method that is unique to achieve a variety of purification effects. The plan to revive Laguna Lake, a lake of miracles. Our estimate shows that we need 500 IORESS units to begin with. Each unit covers 1.8 square kilometers, and they would be installed every 500 meters around the lake perimeter. Even with all these units, the cost is less than 1/30 of the sewage system budget. We offer 3 installation options: purchase, rental, donation. In the donation model, signage will be placed at installation sites stating, "The area is being cleaned up with the support of Company A. Installation, operation, and maintenance will be handled by a local corporation." Let's see the beautiful future Laguna Lake together. We can already envision the beautiful, revived Laguna Lake. Water pollution is becoming a serious global issue. If this purification method is launched from the Philippines and shared with the world, the future of lakes and rivers everywhere could change dramatically. The Philippines will become the starting point of that transformation. Pass the beautiful Lake Laguna to future Filipino children.